Hi, welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer, and we are going to read the book Clap and Clang today. And I have some helpers that are going to help us and see what kind of sounds we can make to go with this book. The boy in this book, his name's Joe. So that's name is Joe. He's got glasses like you, and he has glasses like you. The first thing we know is Joe likes to clap. Now, what do we have here that sounds sort of like clapping? Can we find an instrument that sounds like clapping? Yeah, that will work. What else do we have this sort of? That's a good clapping sound. That's a tapping sound. Let's look for a clapping sound. How about that one? There we go. Okay, so when I want you to stop making the sound, I'm going to take your sound away like this. And as soon as I have your sound in my hands, we won't hear it at all. Okay, are you ready? Let's hear it. Joe likes to clap. Oh, that was a really good one. I thought I'd catch you. The next thing, Joe likes to snap. Now, snapping is sometimes with your fingers, but I can't snap. So I have an elastic right there, on there. Can you do that and make it snap? Let's hear it. Oh, cool. Let's put it over here. Let's show me what you're doing. Joe likes to snap. So you snap 3 times, and then we'll let Levi snap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And Joe likes to snap. 1, 2, 3. Do 3. Joe likes to tap. What can we use for tapping?
This.
Oh, that's a good one. Do we have another one of those? Oh, we didn't find another one. Yes, we did. There's one of those. So you can gently tap. And remember, when I take away the sound, not inside, always outside. So hold the handle. There we go. Joe likes to tap. Oh, that was good too. Okay, put that down. Let's see what else. Joe likes to clang. What is there that he's using to clang?
Yes.
That. What is that? Triangles. And they're going to be kind of loud, but I think we can do it. Not too loud. Not too loud. Okay, you ready?
Is this loud?
Go. Go ahead. Keep going, keep going. And stop. How are you going to make them stop? Yeah, that's exactly it. Because they're vibrating.
Yeah.
They're vibrating. Okay, show again. It's vibrating, and then look, it stops. He touched with his hand.
It sometimes vibrates
Right up your arm? Does it go off your arm?
It sometimes goes up until here.
Really? Oh, now here's the one we've been waiting for. Joe likes to bang, and there's one of those. So we'll give you turns for this one too. Ready? Whoa, that's a pretty loud bang. Do you want to try a bang one?
Yeah.
Okay, pass that over there, and he'll have a turn to bang. Thank you. Ready? And what if I hold it and you both bang at the same time? Ready? Go. Whoa! That went up my arm and down my other arm, and I dropped my book. Joe likes to twang. Now this is like a clothesline. You can hang your clothes on, and I thought maybe we'd use the ukulele because they have strings, and Joe likes to twang. Let's hear it. There you go. There you go. And the last one. Now this is going to be hard because I'm going to tell you what I'm going to say, and then you have to help me. Joe likes to clap and snap and tap and clang and bang and twang. So we're going to do all of them in order. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
So first you have to do Joe likes to clap. Quick, which one? Well, you can do that with your hands. And snap. Somebody snap, snap. And tap. Ready? Tap. Go, 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 go. Tap, 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 tap. Stop. And clang. Where's your thing to hit your triangle? Clang, clang.
Ready here.
Oh, there it is, under your foot. Ready? Clang. And stop. And bang. I'll hold it. Use the mallets, use the mallets. Oh, I knew that would be loud. And twang. The end. That was a good story. Thank you for your help. So that was Clap and Clang with my 2 helpers. Thank you very much.